So we solve this problem using the graphical method. Let's say we draw the constraints. So first we draw the region. Let's say this is x1, this is x2. So due to non-negativity, the region is this, first, only the first quadrant. Now we plot the blue constraint. So set this as 0. So x1 is 10. So say x1 is 10, comma 0. If you put x1 as 0, x2 becomes 5. So x2 is 0, comma 5. The line is which side of the line? Put 0, comma 0. So 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 10, which is obviously true. So the region is towards the origin. So this, 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 and this. Now come to the red constraint. So put x2 as 0. So x1 is 6. So x1 is 6 comes somewhere, say here. So 6, comma 0. I mean एकदम precise नहीं होना, but फिर भी थोड़ा सा idea मार के. See, this entire length is 10. So this should be half. So say this is 6. Not एकदम exact, but not एकदम wavered भी नहीं होना. थोड़ा सा अंदाजा ऐसा मारना है कि वो आसपास ही रहे एक्चुअल से. Now put x1 as 0, so x2 is 6. So if this is 5, so this should be 6. So 0, comma 6. तो लाइन पास कर देते हैं, कौन सी? रेड लाइन. Let's say the line is this. So this is the line. Now which side? 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 6, which is true. So if this is true, the region is towards the origin. So the region is this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, towards the origin. This is the origin. Okay. Now let's come to the green. So for the green, x1 is 2. So x1 is 2. So this is 6. Let's say this is 3. So let's say this is 2. So 2, comma 0. And if you put x1 is 0, so x2 becomes minus 2. So x2 becomes minus 2. So this length, this is 2, so this should also be 2. So let's say the point line is, if you put this as 2, 0, comma 2, so the line is in fact this green line. The green line is this. And the region, if you want to check, 0 minus 0 is less than equal to 2, which is true. So the region is towards the origin. So that means this is the region currently towards. Now come to the last constraint. Last constraint is, put this as 0, x1 is 1. So x1 is 1, 1, comma 0. And if you put x1 as 0, x2 is minus half. Okay, so minus half is there. So the line passes through, the pink line is in fact this, passing through these 2 points. So this is the line. And the region is, put 0, minus 0. So 0 minus 0 satisfies because it is obviously less than equal to 1. So this is true. So the region is towards the origin. That means towards this, 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 this. Now, what is the feasible region? The feasible region is in fact this entire region. This. See, start from there, come down to this. This is a corner. Move to this. This is a corner. Move to this. This is a corner. Move to this. This is a corner. This is a corner. This is a corner. So this is the entire region that is feasible. So the corners are this 0, 5, origin 1, 0, then this point, then this point, then this point. So let's say origin is A, this is B, this is C, so this is D, so this is E, so this is F. So now we list out the corners. The corners are A, that is the origin, B, that is 0, 5, C will calculate, D also will calculate, E also, F is simple, F is already known, it is 1, 0. Now we calculate the corners. C. C lies at the intersection of the red and the blue. So this is the red and the blue constraint. So what you do, subtract. So this goes, x2 is 4. So x2 is 4. Take this 4 and plug into this. So if x2 is 4, x1 is 2. So C ka value coordinate is 2, 4. For D, D lies at the intersection of the green and the red. So green and the red is this. So what you do, add these two. So twice x1 is 8. So x1 is 4. So x1 is 4. So put 4 there. So x2 is 2. So is 2. Now E lies at the intersection of the green and the purple or the magenta, whatever you call this. So these two are the constraints. So what you can do is subtract these two. So this goes, it becomes minus x2 plus 2x2. So that is x2 equals to 1. So x2 is 1. So x2 is 1. So plug this value of x2 in this. So you get x1 as 3. So x1 is 3. So all the corners we've got. Now just evaluate the objective. Objective is max z equals to twice x1 plus x2. So at this origin, the objective is still 0. 0, 5 pe the answer is 5. 2, 4 pe the answer is 4 plus 4 is 8. At 4, 2 the objective is 8 plus 2, that is 10. At the next point, the objective is 2, 3, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. At F, that is 1, 0, the objective is 2. Now the objective is to choose the maximum. Maximum is 10 occurring at 4, 2. Yani ki corner D. Where is corner D? This is corner D. Okay. So the point of optima is x1 equals to 4, x2 equals to 2, z equals to 10 is the point of optima. Point of optima is x1 is 4, x2 is 2, and optima value is z equals to 10. So this is the point of optima. This is the optima value. Okay. So that's it.